Google Chat are down. Did you try to get into a group or chat room and just not hear any replies? Did the computer crash and you were unable to continue your work? Or did your internet person just think they are being slick and block you out of the group? A lot of people nowadays use Google Hangouts among other apps like Skype and Slack because it is insanely easy to join the chat. Google Chat down. Google Chat is down, affecting millions of people all over the world. According to Google status, we're looking into reports of disruption across our products due to an issue with Google Chat. We're working to fix the problem as quickly as we can. The Google status page says that the service is experiencing issues that are causing disruptions for millions of users. So far, Google has not released any information on what may be causing the problem or when it will be fixed. If you're one of the people who are having difficulty using Google Chat, there is a few things that you can do in order to try and troubleshoot the issue. First step is trying a different browser. If you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer, try using another browser. If that doesn't work, you can try resetting your browser settings. In Chrome, holding Ctrl and Shift at the same time and clicking on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the browser window. In Firefox, pressing Ctrl plus Shift and then clicking on Firefox at the top left of the window. In Internet Explorer, pressing F12 and then selecting Internet Options. Select the Advanced tab. Possibly an attack and slash or a technical glitch on July 24th Street. Google Chat services went down for many users across the globe. Users were not able to send or receive messages, and some reported that they were not able to access their Google accounts at all. Many users suspected that an attack may have occurred, but it is still unclear what caused the outage. Google has yet to release a statement about what happened or what they are doing to fix it. If you haven't used Google Chat in a while, be sure to check out our guide on how to set up G-Chat on your computer. That way you'll be able to get back into your chats as soon as possible if the outage affects you. Affects Google Talk, Gmail Chat, and video chats. Google Chat are down. This can be a big issue for people who rely on this messaging service to communicate with others. So what can we do now? If you're like most people, your Google Chat account is the place where you can easily communicate with family and friends. But, if you're like many others, you may have noticed that Google Chat is down right now. If you're looking for an alternative to Gmail or Hangouts, Google Chat may be a good option. Unfortunately, with Google Chat down, it's not easy to find information about how to use it or even whether it's still available. Here are some resources to help you if Google Chat is unavailable for you. This guide will show you how to use Google Talk without relying on an internet connection. This guide shows you how to connect to a chat server using IM. Plus, this guide will show you how to connect to a chat server using XMPP. Here are some common chat applications that work with Google Talk: Skype, FaceTime, Microsoft IM, AIM/ICQ/Yahoo, and more. How can you stay in touch with loved ones if your internet is down? If you are in fact experiencing internet outages, there are a few different ways you can stay connected with your loved ones. One way is to use Google Chat. This is a messaging app that is available on many devices and platforms, including Android and iPhone. Plus, because it is a messaging app, you can communicate with people even if your internet is not working. If you don't have an account on Google Chat, you can create one by going to google.com/chat and entering your email address or phone number. Once you create an account, you will be given a code to enter into the chat window in order to begin chatting. Another option is to use telephone calls. If your phone service is working, you can call your friends and family members and talk to them for as long as you want. However, if your service is down or limited in some way, making telephone calls can be difficult or impossible. In that case, sending short messages called chats via text may be the best option for you. Both Google Chat and telephone calls require some level of coordination on the part of the person trying to make contact. If one person isn't. Conclusion: Google Chat are down for me, too. I'm not sure what's going on, but it seems like everyone I know is reporting the same issue. If you're having trouble communicating with people, be sure to check out our comprehensive blog section on the matter.